This is Padley, and you're listening to Math World. Now, here's the question. Can you guess how the human hand, the petals of certain kinds of flowers, and even some famous painting to be related mathematically? Well, if you have no idea, our question of the day from listener Lucy Ward in Rhode Island will help you. Mr. Ward asks, I've heard a lot about Fibonacci sequence lately. What exactly is it? For an answer, we contacted Professor of Mathematics Dr. James Quist. Hello, Dr. Quist. Can you tell us a little about Fibonacci sequence to answer Mr. Ward's question? Well, it's a great question, especially seeing a sequence sorted in so many forms, and many people have no idea about it. It's really very intriguing once you're aware of it. First, what a sequence is a series of numbers, and in a sequence, each number is the sum of preceding two numbers. In other words, you add two numbers together to get the next one. Let's look at the start of it. The numbers are 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, and 8. So, if we add the first numbers, 1 and 1, we get 2, which is the third number. Then 1 and 2 equal 3, which is the fourth number. Then 2 and 3 equal 5, which is the fifth number, and so it continues. So let's see. Each number is the sum of previous two numbers, and a sequence can just go on and on. Yes, that's right. And what's so amazing about this is that sequence shows up already in so many ways. It appears in natural world. The natural form tend to reproduce the sequence. For example, flowers, pine cones, and seashells. Look at the petals on flowers. There are more likely to be 5 petals than 4. The sparks in the seashell also involve numbers in the sequence. It's not easy to say with flowers, but the measurement of sparks and numbers in the sequence. Some people even mention the human hand when talking about a sequence. We have two hands, each of these 5 fingers, and each finger has 3 parts separated by 2 knuckles. All of these are numbers in the sequence. Maybe it's just a coincidence or maybe not, and not just in the natural world, it also in the art world. It appears in a lot of art. Probably the most famous is in the work of Leonardo da Vinci. You see a lot of spirals in the painting. The spirals are the form most associated with Fibonacci sequence. It also appears in music. One part speech is based on a sequence, in a way the musical patterns repeat. Now, it's not clear whether part is consciously or not. Interesting. Who discovered all this? It was discovered by a mathematician in Italy in early 1200s. His name was Leonardo of Pisa, but he called himself Fibonacci because his father name was Fibonacci. Anyway, he was an extraordinary mathematician. He actually introduced the decimal system to other mathematicians at the time, so mathematicians know about the sequence for a long time. Yes, now your listener says that she heard a lot lately about Fibonacci sequence. It seems like interest in this kind of comes and goes in popularity. Lately it has been more popular. I think it's great. It's fascinating, and if it gets people interested in math and numbers, then all the better. That's fascinating. Thank you so much, Dr. Quest. You're welcome.